In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products. Shopify tutorial. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to deliver files to your customers using Shopify's own digital downloads app. By the end, you'll have your store ready to sell ebooks, templates, music, photos, or any other downloadable file without needing a complicated setup. First, open your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and you're on the main dashboard so you can see the left-hand navigation. From there, head to the Apps section. This is where you can add tools that extend your store's functionality, and it's exactly where we'll find what we need for digital products. Use the search field in Apps to bring up Shopify's Digital Downloads app. Start typing to highlight the result so it appears at the top. If you don't see it immediately, type a bit more until the official Shopify app shows up. This app is free and integrates directly with your storefront and checkout, which keeps the whole process smooth. Click Install and then confirm the installation. You may be asked to review permissions. This is normal. The app needs access to your products and orders, so it can attach files and automatically send download links after purchase. Approve the prompt to continue. Once installed, open the Digital Downloads app from your apps list. You'll land on the app's dashboard. Choose the option to add digital files. At this point, you'll attach your file to a product in your store. If you already have a product created, select it here. This keeps your product page the same while adding the digital delivery behind the scenes. Next, click Add Files to upload the content your customers will receive. You can upload common formats like PDFs, zip archives, audio, video, or images. If your product includes multiple files, repeat Add Files to include them all. A quick tip: compress larger assets into a zip and use clear file names so customers know exactly what they're downloading. After the upload finishes, the app links those files to the product. From now on, when a customer buys that product, Shopify will automatically provide a secure download link on the order status page and send it via email. You don't need to manually fulfill anything. Inside the app, you can also fine-tune things like download limits and update notifications, which helps protect your content while keeping customers informed. That's it. You've connected your product to a digital file, installed the right app, and set your store up to deliver instantly. Before you go live, place a quick test order to confirm the download link works and the file opens correctly. Then publish